Now we'll see what is the market condition. Take market condition into consideration. That is, whether the demand is high, then what is the probability of the demand? Because demand can take three forms. The demand may be high, medium or low in general. Then we'll see if it is OT, that means overtime, or it is outsourcing, or if it is new facilities, what would be the profit? If the market condition says the demand is high demand, we say high demand, where the probability is 0.4 and the profit would be 120 lakhs, and for outsourcing the profit would be 70 lakhs, but if it is new facilities the profit would be 300 lakhs. And if the demand is medium, we'll see if the demand is medium, then that has a probability given as 0.40 and the profit would be 50 lakhs, and here in case of outsourcing it would be 40 lakhs and it would be 50 lakhs in case of new facilities. And if the demand is low demand, the probability is 0.2 and the profit under overtime is 20 lakhs, here it is 10 lakhs, here it is a loss of 100 lakhs. Now for this we have to show it as a decision tree, and then we have to find out the expected monetary value, and whichever the alternative gives us the highest expected monetary value, that would be our choice, or the choice that should be the choice of the company. Now we'll draw the diagram, so we'll see how it appears. Whatever the alternatives that have been taken, we'll be showing it pictorially or diagrammatically. So here we have a decision node where there are three possible courses of action. That means here, as we have discussed, either they can go for overtime or they can go for outsourcing, or the company can go for even building a new facility. But we have to see what is the implication of this in the long run. So for this we are showing it, depicting it graphically. These circles indicate this chance node. The box indicates this decision node. So decision node is under the control of the decision maker, but whereas the lines that will emerge or the alternatives that come out of chance node are beyond the control of the decision maker. So here we'll see how it would appear. We'll put them and find the values. Here we'll see. Anyhow, we'll write those values. Then similarly for new facilities also there are three lines emerging, because there are three possible demand situations are there: high, medium and low demand situations are there with their probabilities. We'll represent those values. We'll write here as overtime. If overtime is chosen, what is the, then here we choose outsourcing. This is one branch, outsourcing, and this is building new facilities. This is new facilities. So here the high demand, when the demand is high, the probability is 0.4 and it will result in now we'll see what would be the profit if I just now we'll see 120 lakhs is the profit. Here the demand is medium, the probability is 0.40 and the profit would be 50 lakhs. Here low demand is there, probability is 0.2 and the profit is 20 lakhs. So 20 lakhs. Then here in case of outsourcing, the same way 0.4 for high demand and 70 lakhs profit. Here same medium demand 0.4, then 40 lakhs as profit. Here medium low demand 0.2, here it is 10 lakhs profit. Here in case of new facilities, for the high demand is probabilities and then we have got 300 lakhs profit. For medium it is 50 lakhs profit. If the demand is low, there will be a loss of 100 lakhs. So this is something, this we put it as high edge, medium demand, we put that as low demand. Now we will check for expected monetary value. Expected monetary value for each alternative. So what is that alternative? First one, EMB for overtime. We designate it like this is equal to 0.40 into what would have been the profit. The demand is high, 120, plus if the demand is medium, with a probability of 0.4 into 50 plus the probability of demand being low is 20. Then this would result in 48 plus 20 plus 4. The total is 72 lakhs as profit. Then simply we will calculate EMB for outsourcing. For outsourcing, if the demand is high, this is the profit is 70 lakhs plus when the demand is medium, the profit is 50 lakhs. When the demand is low, the profit is 10 lakhs, which will give us here 28 plus 20, 48 plus 2, 50 lakhs. Then if EMB will calculate for new facilities is equal to 0.40 into 300 lakhs would have been the profit plus 0.40 into 50 lakhs plus when it is low demand, there will be loss of 100 lakhs. That is the reason we show it as minus 100. Then this is 120 plus 20 minus 20. That means overall is 120 lakhs profit. So when we observe the highest EMV is for this new facilities. So it is desirable to go for new facilities. We will write conclusion like this. Conclusion. Since the highest profit, that is EMV, occurs for choosing to go for new facilities. So this should be the choice of the company. This is how we have to arrive at. So based on this, based on the EMV, the company has to make. So wherever the EMV is highest, that should be the choice. This is how we will use the decision trees in the management.